This is Ibis Style Hotel in Zhongshan Road, China. This is the front entrance of the hotel, the one with the escalator, and beside the escalator is Miniso store. The Hotel East newly renovated last 2018. It is strategically located in a shopping road where all you need to do is wake up and go down and find your Chinese food fix. This is us, going up the hotel for the first time we use the front entrance, because there are more than one entrance to this hotel. The hotel lobby is very modern, clean, and it smells good. There are ample lounge spaces for you to relax and wait for your companion, or just relax. You could leave your luggages if you came in early for your check-in time, or if you need to check out and still have time to roam around. They even have a robot delivery concierge that awesomely does an amazing job. It goes in out of the elevator all by itself. It goes back to a charging port after finishing a job. I'm excited to show you around my room here at Ibis Styles in China. Ibis Styles hotels are known for their unique designs and vibrant vibes. So let's go inside and see what this one has to offer. Alright, here we are. My first impression is that the room feels fresh, bright, and has a playful, modern design. They really make use of color here, which makes the space feel energetic and welcoming. There are also convenient bedside tables with reading lights, perfect for winding down with a book or checking out your itinerary for the next day. The spacious storage space, or closet, is very clean. There's a fan provided, probably for those summer nights. Oh, and there's a slippers provided. And there's a TV right across from the bed. Here's the bed. It's a queen size, with really soft sheets and pillows. Super comfortable for a good night's sleep after a day of exploring. Let's check out the bathroom. It's compact but super functional. With a nice clean design, you've got a well-lit mirror, a sink with plenty of counter space for your toiletries, and a walk-in shower. One thoughtful touch I love is that every room comes with its own air purifier. It's great to have that extra level of comfort, especially for anyone sensitive to air quality. It really adds a nice fresh feel to the room. The hotel room that I booked was the one with the window. Unfortunately, the view is man-made. It's a pocket garden with artificial light, but still, it adds character to the room and it makes me feel more relaxed. Now let's check out the hotel keys and other freebies. The hotel provided 2 card keys for the 2 persons for the room. Then they gave us an envelope. It's like a blind box. Unboxing time. They've thought of everything you might need here. They provide a toothbrush, cotton buds, a comb, and even a shower cap, all neatly arranged. It's nice to have these essentials on hand so you don't have to worry about packing them. Now, let's go out and let me show you the other hotel entrance, aside from the one showed you first. By the way, the hotel only has one exclusive elevator. The other elevator is a cargo service elevator that other floors uses as well. But don't worry, in order to access your hotel floor, you need the key card. This is the entrance of the hotel at the back. It's very plain and confusing, but it's very strategically located. There are many stores, cafes, and others in this area. Here's a quick overall view of the hotel. Here's how much I got the room for one night. So that's the room here at Ibis Styles. It's got everything you need for a comfortable and stylish stay. Between the air purifier, the thoughtful bathroom amenities, and the fun design, it really feels like a home away from home. Thanks for joining me on this room tour. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you'd like to see me stay next. See you in the next video.